Metalsmithing and Jewelry Tour. Metalsmithing and jewelry students explore formal and conceptual concerns in jewelry, hollowware and small art projects through traditional and contemporary techniques. Students meet in the main bench classroom, which consists of soldering benches, drilling stations, and other tools necessary for metalsmithing. The other studio spaces are dedicated to specific materials and processes. The casting room is fully equipped with vacuum machines, torches, centrifugal casting, and burnout kilns. The Enameling Studio houses a pneumatic shear and several enameling kilns of various sizes. Enamels are supplied. The Plasticity Plus or hammering room is where students practice traditional metal forming techniques using hammers, forming stakes, and spinning lathe. This room is also home to a large powder coating booth, forge, annealing torch, and sandblaster. The finishing room contains grinding and polishing machines where students can complete their artwork.